Hey guys, so on today's video, I am going to be doing an unboxing. I am going to be doing a giveaway, so make sure that you keep an eye on my channel. If you are not subscribed, please subscribe because it's going to be for subscribers only. Make sure that you have your notifications on so you do not miss that video, and that way you can be included in my next giveaway. So everybody who knows me knows that I collect sunglasses. I love sunglasses. I think that they're a great conversation piece. Not only that, but when you don't have makeup on, like all you gotta do is put on a pair of sunglasses and it covers up all of your non-makeup having beep. Oh! Why did my light turn off? Okay, so I saw these glasses and I really fell in love with them. They're great conversation pieces. Not only that, but I feel like if I have a really, really nice pair of sunglasses on with no makeup, nobody's gonna notice that I'm not wearing makeup because they're gonna be paying attention to my sunglasses. So these sunglasses are from Dolce Gabbana. This is the box. At first I was like, whoa, why is there such a huge box for a pair of sunglasses? But it's all about presentation, and I think they did a great job. So I'm gonna take this off. And so it's really cool box. It's a really cool box. It opens up like this, and then you can take out this piece. And so this right here, you open to reveal a beautiful box that is like velvet, and it's so soft. It's so pretty, and I actually think that this is one of those boxes that you could probably use for like a jewelry box or something cool like that because it's really, really pretty. So when I open it up, it has the Dolce & Gabbana. It's a limited edition sunglasses. It has this in it, which I think is really cool because it says that in there. And then inside it has this, which is the actual sunglasses. Oh, cue the angelic music right there. So anyways, so you open that up, and it all is like velvety and soft and amazing, all of the packaging. And then out of here, you take out the beautiful glasses. Now, I don't know about y'all, but these are beautiful. Check that. Check that. Look at the sparkles. Isn't it beautiful? Like, oh my God. So, I wore these in the airport, and I had so many people that were telling me like, oh my God, your glasses are so beautiful. Like, I love your glasses. And then there were the haters that were like looking at me, and they were kind of like snickering or whatever. Guess what? I don't care, haters. I love what I love, and I'm gonna rock it. And these glasses are freaking amazing. If you don't like it, don't look at me. I think that they're amazing. Comment down in the comments below, what do you think? Do you think that they're a little bit too much? You think that they're amazing? You think that people that see me in these and that snicker are just haters? Or what do you think? Do you think that I shouldn't care? Because honestly, I don't. So anyway, if you see somebody out in public with glasses like this and they kind of look like me, then guess what? It's me. It's me. So come up to me and tell me hi, and maybe we could take a picture together. Wouldn't that be cool? I think it would be cool. I don't know. Maybe you don't, but I do. But anyways, thank you so much for watching this video. It was just a quick unboxing video. I hope that you enjoyed it. I hope that you like my new glasses that I'm gonna be sporting out everywhere. If you haven't subscribed, you're already here, so you might as well subscribe. Turn on the notifications for that giveaway because we are gonna be giving away a Blue Blood Jeffree Star palette. You're not gonna wanna miss that giveaway. My second giveaway is going to be for any BTS lovers out there. It's gonna be a new BTS album. So if you like Jeffree Star Cosmetics or you love BTS, stay tuned because those giveaways are coming up. Make sure you're subscribed, make sure your notifications are on, and stay tuned for the next video. Thank you for watching. Bye.